Coming up, I'll show you how to stop shower mold from growing, guaranteed. And the best part is you don't have to buy anything or spray anything. Well, hey, all, welcome back to Kitchen Tips Online. Now, if this is your first time here, I invite you to have a look around and check out some of my other videos and consider subscribing. And if you are a regular subscriber who always watches my videos all the way to the end and gives me a thumbs up because you understand that speaks to the algorithm and that really helps me out, I'd like to say thanks, guys. Well, unless you're one of those people who wipe down the shower walls to dry it off after you take a shower, you're going to get mold and you're going to get mildew because it takes moisture and oxygen for mold to grow. Well, I figured out a long time ago, and I've been doing this for years, so I can guarantee you it works. If you put a fan on the floor and blow air into the shower when you're done, you dry out the shower and you never get mold. It works like a champ. I guarantee it. Thanks for watching.